Welcome back to IQ Security Tech Talks. Today, we're talking about something every business should understand: your security system maintenance and inspection, and how it connects to your service level agreement, or SLA. Your security system isn't something you install and forget. Like any critical infrastructure, it needs regular maintenance and inspection to make sure everything is working as it should. At IQ Security, maintenance means checking your access control, CCTV, alarms, and locking hardware, making sure devices are operating correctly, systems are communicating properly, and there are no hidden faults. Inspection goes a step further. It's about identifying risks early, things like failing hardware, system gaps, or compliance issues that could impact your building warrant of fitness or day-to-day operations. If issues aren't picked up early, they can lead to system failures, security risks, or costly emergency repairs. That's why every maintenance visit is documented. You get a clear report outlining what was tested, what was identified, and what actions are recommended. So you always know the condition of your system. Now, this is where your SLA comes in. A service level agreement defines how we respond when something goes wrong, giving you structured, predictable support. At IQ Security, every job is assigned a priority level. Critical and P1 issues, like a failed access-controlled door, receive a 1-hour response and same-day resolution or workaround. P2 issues still receive a 1-hour response, with resolution typically within 2 business days. P3 issues are medium priority jobs, with a 1-hour response and resolution or workaround within 10 business days. P4 issues are lower priority jobs with a 1-hour response and resolution or workaround within 30 business days. Lower priority requests like minor faults or upgrades are scheduled accordingly, but always acknowledged within that 1-hour response window. Imagine your main entry door stops working during business hours. That's a critical issue. With an SLA in place, you're not chasing support. You get a fast, structured response immediately. Every request is logged through our ticketing system. You receive a job or ticket ID so you can track progress, reference past work, and maintain a clear service history. This also ensures accountability, transparency, and consistent communication throughout the process. Regular maintenance keeps your system reliable and compliant. An SLA ensures you're supported when it matters most. Together, they give you a complete, proactive approach to security, not just reacting to problems, but preventing them. Talk to IQ Security today to make sure your system stays secure, compliant, and performing at its best.
The smartest solutions for your company. IQ Security.